Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious Ukadiche Modak, a traditional steamed sweet dumpling. This Maharashtrian delicacy features a soft outer shell made from fine rice flour, water, a pinch of salt, and a teaspoon of ghee. The delightful inner filling, known as saran, combines freshly grated coconut, jaggery, and aromatic spices like cardamom and sometimes nutmeg. We will guide you through each step to create these melt-in-your-mouth treats, perfect for any special occasion. Let's begin by preparing the sweet coconut filling, or saran. In a pan, combine 1 cup of freshly grated coconut with about half a cup of finely chopped jaggery. Cook this mixture over a low to medium flame for approximately 5 to 7 minutes, stirring continuously until the jaggery completely melts and the mixture thickens. Finally, stir in half a teaspoon of fragrant cardamom powder and a 1/4 teaspoon of freshly grated nutmeg to enhance its rich flavor. Allow this delicious filling to cool completely. Next, we'll create the soft outer dough. Bring 1 cup of water to a rolling boil, then add 1 teaspoon of ghee and a pinch of salt. Reduce the heat, add 1 cup of fine rice flour, mix thoroughly, and cover for 3 to 5 minutes. Transfer the warm mixture to a bowl and knead it for 5 to 10 minutes until it is smooth and soft. To shape, grease a modak mold with ghee, press a small dough ball into it, add about 2 teaspoons of the cooled filling, and gently seal the base. The final step is steaming our beautifully shaped modaks. Arrange them in a grease steamer basket, ensuring there are small gaps between each one. Place the basket over boiling water and steam for 10 to 15 minutes on a medium flame. You'll know they are perfectly cooked when their outer shell becomes shiny and firm to the touch. Carefully remove them from the steamer. Serve these warm, soft, and sweet dumplings, perhaps with a light drizzle of pure ghee, for an authentic and truly enjoyable experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.